The Virtual Office for Salesforce Communication panel allows you to integrate your 8x8 and Salesforce experience, making it easy to make calls and access information from a single location. There are three main tabs for the Communication panel: the Phone tab, the Call Log tab, and the Directory tab. The Phone tab allows you to make calls with the dial pad. Click the buttons to make a call. The Call Log tab shows all of your recent call activity while the Virtual Office for Salesforce Communication panel is open. Hover over the caller ID to see options. Click on the phone icon to call the contact, or click the task icon to open up this particular record to add notes. The call will appear under the Unworked section if the call has no call outcomes attached. You can add an outcome with the task icon. Once saved, the contact will be removed from the Unworked section. In the Directory tab, you will find all of your company contacts and Salesforce contacts. The icons change based on whether it is an 8x8 contact or a Salesforce contact. If it is an 8x8 contact, you can send them a chat message or call through Virtual Office. If it is a Salesforce contact, you can open up the Salesforce record or make a call. There is also a drop-down menu which gives you access to settings, reporting problems, help documentation, and more. Supervisors who have special permissions have access to a link called Team Settings. You can also log out from the application here. Be aware that if you are using the single sign-on feature, logging out of Salesforce will also log you out of the Communication panel.